Right, welcome ladies and gents. Sorry for the delay in getting any videos out. I actually filmed some content for the Pulsar and I formatted my memory card like a dipshit. However, we've got an update on the Pulsar now, so I'm going to sit down, and I've also got an ultra rare part. I think it's the ultra rare part just there. I haven't unboxed it yet, so I'm going to unbox that as well, but also give you an update on the Pulsar. Right, so first things first, let's unbox this, because this might be why you've even clicked on the video. This was really hard to find, if it's what I think it is. It should be, but this was really hard to find. Been looking for ages, you guys know I have. It should be in the thumbnail or something like that anyway. But I think this is the GTiR factory umbrella. I'm pretty certain this is. If it's not, I don't know what this is. And I'm just unboxing something I've got no idea, which is not fun. It's bloody wrapped up well, that's for sure. So this came from a breaker who sort of breaks other things, basically. Not a super long story, but basically someone had one, reached out to me over on Instagram, which the car Instagram's in the description box. So please do go and check that out. Is this... Doesn't look like the umbrella, does it? Well, it is. So, normal mechanism. Factory Nissan GTiR umbrella. In good shape. Not mint, but it's in good shape. It's a bit grimy, bit dirty, needs a clean. I've got crap on my hands. But this is the OG factory Nissan GTiR umbrella. Let's see if it works. This is very rare. These are very hard to find. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, nice. So, there you go. Got my factory umbrella. All sort of Japanese writing inside. Interesting. So anyway, got this finally. This will go in. Ugh. God, it doesn't move very well. Needs to be greased. So anyway, that's super rare. Super rare. And if anyone wants the GTiR umbrella holder, I will sell that if anyone wants that, because you can actually, it gets put in your car basically. It just sort of sits in your car in the panel. But anyway, whatever. Enough nonsense. Let's talk about the Pulsar. Where is it? Where's it gone? So the footage that I did have was it being dropped off and me meeting up with Nick. Dropped the Pulsar off, obviously at Horsham Developments. Loads of people keep telling me stop going back to them. They are good, guys. And the thing is that this is par for the course with an old car and also a rare car, is that, you know, problems do happen. And the benefit of taking it back to them is that they will fix it for free if there's an issue. So there was a starting up issue recently, and they fixed that free of charge. So it is actually fixed now. It's running. I don't know, you know, I don't have it, so I don't know how good it is running, but it is running. And then subsequently they were going to install like a speedo thing, basically get the speedo to work, because the speedo wasn't working. They've done that. So they've fixed the startup issue. There was actually a leak somewhere, which is perfectly, honestly understandable. They are a very good company, and they remedy their work. So I appreciate loads of people who are like, oh, take it somewhere else. It doesn't look good, I know, but when you've sunk so much money into it at a certain place and they're offering to do the work to correct it for free because they know it's part of what they should do, it's difficult. They're honest is the point I'm trying to make, and it's difficult to find people that are honest that are mechanics. So they fixed that, fixed the speedo, they've double checked why the ABS light is on. This was on from when I got it anyway. And the ABS light is on because there's like a front sensor that just is not working. And I think that was it. I think that was all I asked them to do now, just fix the ABS sensor. Oh, and the door. The driver's door is a bit weird. So I've asked them to fix that. They should be able to get it in this month and have a look at it. So that's good. But that's why there's been no content, basically, because we've got really crappy weather. I'm trying not to drive the Lexus so much. Got some content on the Lexus coming up because I'm going to ceramic coat all those wheels and do a test. I'm going to get them mounted and test them and spray it down, and hopefully ceramic coating wheels keeps them clean, because those wheels are shit to keep clean. Really, really shit. So I bought some ceramic coat, so we're going to do a video on that just to see whether it is worth it or not. But that's why there's been no videos, essentially, because there was a lot of stuff in the pipeline that hasn't materialised. I should have actually had another project car to do this winter. It should be here by now. I should already have been working on it. And that hasn't arrived yet. It's still in another country. So, yeah, forgive me, because I would have much preferred to have, much more content ready to go for you guys. I like this channel. I like keeping it going. But I can't do much without the cars. And it's unfortunate that every time I get the Pulsar back, it has to go back. But it's mechanically sound now. So it should just be with me for a while, which would be great. And then I should get the other car, project car, which is another Datsun. For those that don't know, it's a Datsun 510 project car, basically. So anyway, I didn't want to touch the table because my hands are dirty. If anyone wants the umbrella tube for the GTiR, leave me a comment, message me on Instagram. It's in the description box. We can come to an arrangement on that price. But I got an umbrella. Yay! Finally got the umbrella for the Pulsar. Was it worth the money? No. No, it wasn't. I'm going to tell you how much it cost. It wasn't worth the price. I don't think an umbrella should cost that much, no matter what or how rare it is. But I'm glad I've got one. So anyway, I'm going to go clean my hands. Cheers, ladies and gents. Thanks for bearing with me. I am sorry. I've also had problems with my arms. Got like my bicep tendons were going to snap and stuff. It's a massive long story, but it means that I've not been able to do a lot. And car stuff involves quite heavy lifting, so I've not been able to do that, annoyingly. So anyway, thanks ladies and gents. Take care.